Hey again, everybody. Thank you so much for coming back this week for another episode of Family Fun Night. Again, these are just simple games. We're trying to use things that you would have around your home, very minimal amount of items that you would have to go and purchase, just some things that you can do as a family during this time of quarantine. Now, tonight's is just a fun game. Some people like to call it baby bird. Some people like to call it cheese ball toss. I mean, there's tons of little things, but here's what it is. Simply put, you're just going to have marshmallows, cheese balls, M&Ms, not the peanut ones. You will chip your tooth. But you can really use whatever food item you want that you're comfortable with. And all you're going to do is line up on a different side of the house or, wherever you may be, whatever distance is safe. And someone's going to take one. They can be seated. They can be kneeling. They can be standing. And another person across the room is just going to stand there with their mouth open. And you're going to take either 30 seconds or a minute. I wouldn't really go much longer than that. And all you're going to do is just toss it across, and they're going to try and catch it with their mouth. So as it comes, done. And whoever can get the most in 30 seconds or a minute, they win. Another way you can modify this game is to use ping pong balls and a bucket, or you can use large mellows like I had here, whatever it is, and use a bucket to make it easier for kids. So, and catch, or if you have a cup, sometimes it helps. So you can use the bucket to catch the ping pong balls, the mellows, the cheese balls, whatever it is that you're tossing. Or if you want to make it a little bit harder for older kids, you can use just a cup and try and catch it from across the room if they're not able to catch the food with their mouth. I'll add a 30-second timer and a 60-second timer at the end of this video for you to use in case you want to play at home. But other than that, that's it. That's our game. Stay tuned for Saturday's video, Fruit of the Spirit. Looking forward to seeing y'all soon.